Hi friends, hi YouTube, hi my little clowns, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you can see him. Can you see my cat? Bob, say hi. Say hi. Or not. Okay. I got a mystery box from ColourPop. I ordered a couple of other things for myself, so I thought, rude. But I just got this. It's been a long week. I'm still just not doing my best. My wisdom teeth here are coming in and it's hurting like a mother effer. But I thought, you know, let's go through this. But if you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love bright, fun, colorful makeup, clownish type things, you know, all that good stuff. So I would love to have you subscribe, join my little clown parade. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the things I got for myself were these sticks. I can't even remember what they're called. I'll put it on the screen. But I got the blush, like a pack. My brain is so fried. I'll put everything on the screen. That'll be helpful. The bronzer stick, the highlighter stick, and the blush stick, they come in a trio. I got these colors. Oh my god, this cat is going to be the death of me. I got it. The shades are Mini Me, Glazy, and Laguna Beach. My hair is a mess. I'm a mess. It is what it is. But I will take them out. I will swatch them. Bob's gonna be literally the death of me. He's so crazy. It is what it is. But let's. Okay, so I don't know. We'll see if it is or not. Bob, I swear to God, scoot your boot. They look like these. This is the blush, bronzer, and then the light stick. I think these will work. I think the bronzer might be like a little bit too dark for me, but it is what it is. That highlighter shade, I don't know if it's like popping up or anything, but that's super gorgeous, and so is the blush. So I'm super excited for these. I also got, Bob, did you steal it? Oh my god, he's sitting so cute. Look at him. Okay, bye. I got, oh, here it is. This is lip oil because I've become a huge fan of lip oils. This is in the Mojito shade, I'm pretty sure. Raspberry Mojito. Pretty sure they just came out with these and these sticks not that long ago. I can't tell if there's any flavor to them, but I love myself a good lip oil. I don't know if you can see him or not. Smiles. But I don't know if I said this or not, but in my last video, my declutter video, moving in video, whatever the hell you want to call it, I said that I know that a lot of people aren't happy with the stuff that they get in their mystery boxes, but like I said about myself, I don't care what pops up in it or like what comes in it, because you know, I like to be surprised with things. So let's get into this goodness. The first thing that I'm pulling out is the Soul Body Blending Sponge. An oversized reusable sponge that buffs and blends shimmer easily into skin. The answer to streak-free, must-free, and application every time. The thing is that I'm pretty sure I just threw away, oops, the thing that like was for this, but maybe I didn't. I did. That just went out to the trash yesterday. Oopsies. But it was way too dark for me. But I'll figure out something to do with this. Okay, next thing that I pulled are the crystal face jewels, which I'm so excited for because I've always wanted to put face jewels on my face. Do not even think about it, sir. Back out. Thank you. But I've always wanted face jewels. I've always wanted to like put them on my face. Well, that sounds stupid, but you get what I'm like trying to get at. I felt like they would have worked with this look. Yeah. These are the falsies in Chic. I am obsessed with the ones in Queenie, so I'm excited to try these out. I'll show you my Queenie ones compared to these. I have other lashes in my Queenie box. Get out! Okay, these are the Queenies compared to the Chic, if that helps. This is Queenie, this is Chic. I love their lashes. I mean, their Barbie ones weren't that good. They fell apart on both me and my friend like instantly, but it is what it is. This is the cream gel liner from their BFF collection in Wildcat. I have one of these actually. This is a beautiful gold. Maybe I don't. Oh my goodness gracious, I don't know if that's going to show up or not. But that's, here, let me just, that's gorgeous. Oh, I hate y'all. Y'all are wibbly. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, my tripod is going to shit, so that's just a whole hell of a bunch of fun. But, you know, it is what it is. This is the BFF liquid liner. This might be the one that I have in Make a Love. The back is yellow, so... What are you looking at? Ooh, see, I have, where is it? It's somewhere here. This one, I have this one in the Hills, the green blue shade. It's that yellow line next to the other, which I'm excited for that. I love that. That's so pretty. I should probably put everything I've opened right next to me. This is the So Glassy lip gloss. I think I have one of these. Are you done? Are you leaving again? I have a shade really close to this and something else. Where are you going? I don't trust him. It looks like this. Again, I don't know how well a lot of this stuff is popping up on camera, but it is what it is. It looks like there are 3 Luxe of Velvet lipsticks. We have Just Imagine, Honey Pie, and Dance Off. I was just saying the other day how I don't really have a red lipstick, so here we go. Okay, so these are the shades. This one over here is the Honey Pie, the one that I thought was going to be the red. I was bamboozled. The middle one is the Just Imagine, and the little lighter one is called Dance Off. I'm really thinking that I'm going to enjoy this color a lot. These are colors that I tend to gravitate towards anyways. I do wish it would have been something just a tad bit more fun, but it is what it is. This is a glossy lip stain Fresh Kiss. You've got to be kidding me right now. My hair can just cooperate. In Sugar Snap. I love the packaging on this. Okay. I love these though. These. The thing is, again, everything just is sort of looking the same, but it is what it is. That is that. This is in Sugar Snap. I think I already said that. And last but not least, my friends, the best part is they sent a whole huge freaking palette. This is the Play It Jewel Press Powder Palette. I don't know how many shades this is because I really don't feel like counting. So, I'm so excited for this. I've wanted this one for so long. Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to play with this. Bob, do you want to look at it since you're like staring at it right now? Yeah, I'm so excited for this. Again, this has been on like on my wish list for so long, so this being in this, chef's kiss. I love it. I'm so excited to play with this. I think this might be my next video. I'm thinking somewhere in here. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I just hit myself in the face. That hurt. I love all this. Again, I wish the lip colors were just a little bit more different. But again, I'm not going to say no to a lot of this, you know? I'm sweaty.